Kuhn World Counseling and Training, with tagline, "Well of Awareness for Thirsty People," is a learning platform, for people having thirst for learning, and this time, it is going to happen in the form of course, Art of Communication, designed by, Mr. Sagir Ahmed. Mr. Sagir is known as the father of time topology, visual mathematics, visual philosophy, and treatise of human education. With over 25 years of experience in the field of consultancy, author of 50-plus awareness and textbook. Conducted approximately 16,000 seminars, 3,000 workshops and 100-plus training sessions. Effective communication is the foundation, on which companies, and careers are built, and a crucial component of lasting success. Whether the audience is an entire organization, or a single individual, effective communication requires bringing together different points of view, and relaying that information without losing clarity or focus. Course outline of Art of Communication includes Introduction and Course Overview, Mindset and NLP, Interpersonal Skills, Overview of Communication, Communication Barriers, Communication Skills, How to Get People on Your Side, The Wheel of Communion, The Importance of Voice, Assertiveness and How to Say No, Developing Assertiveness Listening Skills, Indirect Communication, Body Language and Communication, Giving and Receiving Feedback, Your Personal Action Plans, Public Speaking and Job Interview. After completing this course, communication increases your happiness. Communication makes you one hot dude or chick. Communication adds intimacy. Communication increases love. Communication makes you more popular. Communication increases your success. Communication makes you relaxed. Communication makes you satisfied. Communication gives you self-control. And communication helps you in self-understanding. Unique points of this course are: How to Design Mindset, Child and Parent Relation, Husband and Wife Relation, How to Control Angry Person, How to Talk on Phone, How to Deal with Client, How to Lead in Small Council, How to Talk with God, Communication in the Form of Writing, and so many case studies. So, register now, and get live solution of all your problems, in the experience of 24 live case studies. For more details visit our website www.kunworld.com. You can also email us on sufiofsoul@gmail.com, and contact us on our WhatsApp number 033530888920, or 0335225785. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.